Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 55 of 1000. Hey, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's really good to have you. For all my new viewers, this channel is all about investing money and being all in on Tesla no matter what. So join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. That's right, join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through the following. I'm going to share my day 55 portfolio with you. I'm also going to be looking at the Nasdaq and the Tesla charts to see where the price may be headed to. And I'm also going to look at the MACD, RSI and candlesticks to see what's happening. So let's get into it. So day 55, 15th of February 2022, two portfolios, A and B. In A, I have just over 120 shares. In B, I have just under 91 shares. So that's day 55, 15th of February 2022. So the total number of shares that I hold is just over 211 shares. My target is to get to 300 shares. So, I'm 70% of the way there. I've got another 30% to go. So hopefully I'm going to get there sooner rather than later. So what's been happening with Tesla? So it's day 55 of 1000 and Tesla is up nearly 5%. So it's $918.39. So if we multiply that by the number of shares which I hold, which is just over 211 shares, I have a portfolio value of $193,829.51. So just under 194,000. The daily movement upwards has been just under $9,000. So it's been a good day for Tesla. It's broken the 900 level and hopefully, it's going to rise even more. So that's day 55 of 1000. So now let's get into the technical analysis side of things. So here is the Nasdaq 1 year chart. So I've got the chart all marked up. I've got the resistance and the supports. Now if I zoom in, you'll be able to see that the Nasdaq is trying to hit the resistance at around 14,100. So there's a solid resistance there. It's going to try and break it. It's had a good day today. It's jumped up, it's kind of gapped up, and it's like trying to go higher on the good news. So it's going to probably hit this resistance and try and break it, and then eventually if it does break it, the 14,100 level will become the new support, and then it's probably going to go to the MA200 and the MA50 level, which are very near each other at the moment. So that's the Nasdaq 1 year chart. So let's have a look at the Tesla 1 year chart now. So as you can see, I've got it all marked up, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to zoom into it to see what's been happening. So as you can see, it has broken the $900 resistance level. It's broken it, but the question is, can the price remain above this level at closing? If it closes above 900, then that resistance will become the new support, and then it should build a base there to go to the next resistance line, which is around 950. And then if it breaks down, if it breaks that one, then it's going to try and go to the MA50 level, which is at $987. So it's going to keep on trying to break these resistance levels. So know your resistance levels, know where the pullback may be. So it's going to go to the resistance level. It's probably going to pull back down to the support. So these are good points to buy. So buy at the new support levels. So that's the Tesla 1 year chart. So let's have a look at the Tesla 6 months chart to see this more clearly. So as you can see, price popped above the 900 level and now it's trading around $916. So if it stays above the 900, then the next target is the $950 level. And then if it breaks that, it's going to go to the MA50 level, which is $987. So again, just keep on watching these levels. These are really good levels to buy at. The 900 level was really good to buy at. Then the 950, if it breaks that and then it starts to consolidate there, it's going to be a really good level to buy at. So anything under 1000, in my opinion, is a fantastic level to buy at, because Tesla is an amazing company. It has amazing growth ahead of it. It's got amazing profits, and they're going to be one of the leaders in electric vehicles. They're going to be the leaders in full self-driving and autonomy. They're going to be the leaders in robotics. And, they've got another 10 to 15 years of growth ahead of them. So this is a really good time to gain. Once they pass 1000, once it runs away from 1000, it's very unlikely that it will return to these levels. So these are amazing prices to get in at. So this is the Tesla 6 month chart. So let's have a look at the RSI analysis now. So if I zoom in to the latest readings, you will see it is at 46.89. So it has sharply gone up. So it was around the 40 level. It's gone to 46.89, and it looks as though it's going to be heading to the 50 level. And then if it surpasses the 50 level, it's going to be point where the bulls are in control, and if it goes above that, the momentum is going to be firmly with the bulls and the price is going to continue to rise. So that's good news for any bullish investors who are looking for the price to rise. So obviously, you know, for me, I prefer the price to stay low so I can lower my cost basis. And, you know, these prices are good, but I'd prefer to buy Tesla around 700, 800, you know, even 600 and 500 if the price goes there. If the price goes to about 1500, 1600, it becomes really difficult to buy one share. So as a long-term investor, my main concern is to lower my cost basis or to keep my cost basis as low as possible. So that's the RSI analysis on Tesla. So let's have a look at the MACD analysis now. So as you can see by the circle that I've drawn on the bottom right hand side, if I zoom into it, you'll see that the black line is now trying to get away and cross over the red line. So previously it looked like it was going to cross under it. Now it's looking like it's going to cross over it. And if you look at the histogram, it's actually, you know, gone to the negative territory and then it's gone up to the positive territory. So again, this could be whipsawing, and, you know, this could be a false signal, but, you know, it looks as though the momentum is starting to turn and it's going towards the bulls, and, you know, MACD is supporting this at the moment. So that's the MACD analysis on Tesla. So let's have a look at the candlestick analysis. So the latest candlestick is quite bullish. The day before it was quite bullish as well. So it's broken the 900 level. It's gone to 916.75. So I suspect if the momentum continues, it's going to try and go to the 950 level. And again, if it breaks that, then it's going to try and go to the MA50 level. So candlestick at the moment is looking positive because it's quite a long candlestick and it's white where the wicks are short on either end. So it's looking quite positive at the moment. So what are the key points to remember? So Tesla has broken the $900 resistance level. If price ends the session above $900, this level will become the next support and the bulls will try to take it up to 950. So that's the first key point to remember. The second key point is for MACD, there has been a bullish crossover, but it could be a false signal. MACD could continue to whipsaw. So, you know, there's no clear-cut direction yet, but there is, you know, a positive crossover, which means that the bulls are trying to regain control. The RSI is also rising quite quickly and it's nearing the 50 level. So if it surpasses this level, the momentum will be firmly with the bulls. If it goes above 50, then, you know, the price will rise quite quickly. It could go back to the all-time highs, even surpass it. So you never know. So that's why I'm trying to buy as much as possible under 1,000. I keep on saying it, but I haven't got enough money at the moment. Hopefully I'm going to be getting some money tomorrow where I can put it into Tesla. So, you know, just keep on watching this space, see if I can get some money, see if I can lower my cost basis or keep my cost basis low. So those are the key points to remember. So what are my buying levels? So as I said, anything under 1,000 is a great opportunity for me as a long-term investor. So my first level is at 900. My second level is at 850. My third level, which is MA200, it's at 824. And then finally, if it goes down to 725, I'm going to try and buy as much as possible. So as I keep on saying, try to lower your cost basis. Keep your cost basis as low as possible. You do not want to buy Tesla at $1,500, $1,600. You want to buy it at 500, 600, 700, 800. Anything under 1,000 is a good buy in my opinion. So those are the buying levels. So what is the plan now? So the plan is the same as usual. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into Tesla shares and buy at regular intervals no matter what. I'm going to keep buying at the support levels and I'm going to try to buy as much as possible under $1,000 and near the MA200. And finally, I'm not going to sell my position. This is a forever stock for me and I'm going to try and keep it over the long run because I think there is so much upside potential. It's unbelievable. So I'm going to keep this position open for at least 1,000 days. I'm going to try and build a position to 300 shares in Tesla. And then if my calculations are correct, I should be able to make $1 million in 1,000 days. So that's the plan for now. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Join me on my journey to see if I can build my position to 300 shares. Join me on my journey to see if I can keep this position open for 1,000 days, and join me to see if I can make $1 million in 1,000 days. So finally, I appreciate any likes and I'll read all your comments. I appreciate your subscription. I hope to bring you value, and I wish you all the best on your investment journey. And until the next update, have a great day and I wish you all the best.